Tired of having no place to put your tools? Today we're going to put up these wall panels by Wall Control. It's a galvanized metal wall system instead of the old standard pegboard. These are all metal. It comes with everything you need to install, including brackets, shelves, and the only thing it's missing is labor, and that's where I come in. Alright, today we're going to install this system. It does come with everything that you need. It comes with anchors. So the only thing you need really is going to be a screw gun and with a Phillips tip and just your labor. So we're going to go ahead and install it. I think you'll love it. Alright, so I took everything out of the box. It was all plastic wrapped, which, I mean, it was in really well packaged. So it comes with anchors, the wall boards, which are 4 foot by 3 foot. It comes with the shelving and then also the brackets for hanging tools and wrenches and whatnot. So I'll go ahead and determine where I'm going to go with this. I've got 2 of these systems to install. I got them for my birthday for my wife, and I thought that was awesome. I've been fighting having my tools everywhere. And so with 8 foot of this system, I should be able to hang up pretty much everything. If I don't have a place for it, I may have to consider purging. So this is the wall we're going to install them on, and I'll just show you how to do it. And like I said, the only thing you're going to need, your screw gun. You also need a level of it, of course, and and maybe a pencil. So we'll go ahead and get started and get it putting up. Okay, I'm going to start on my first panel. What I got is I want the bottom of it at 4 foot off the ground. So I'm just taking my 4 foot level, and I'm just going to balance the first panel on that. I did find a stud for the outside edge of the first panel, and from this point on I'll probably be using, hopefully find a stud. If I don't, I'll use the provided anchors with it, and said they are pretty beefy, so I'm not worried about anything falling off. So we'll just go ahead and pop this up. Now that I've got that up on one corner, I'm going to go ahead and take my level and level this up. I'm going to take my bit on my screw gun just to mark the end of the hole so I can put the anchors in. Okay, got those. Just insert the anchors. I'm not going to tighten it up completely. I want to make sure that I get everything level before I go ahead and attach it. Okay, now that that's done, there is a place for 3 anchors on the one side, or 3 locations to attach to. Because I did get the stud, I'm not so worried about this one. On the ones continuing out, if I don't hit a stud, I'll go ahead and anchor in all 6 places just to make sure that it's going to stay on the wall. Okay, I'll go ahead and continue on. I just have one more panel in this box, but then I have the additional 3 panels in to make this 8 foot wide. I'll go ahead and get that up, and then we'll show you how to put up the shelving. Okay, all the panels are up, and I couldn't be happier. This thing actually, it went together so well. The only thing I have any pointers on is just keeping the level. When you bring in a panel, just keep your level right here and then mark all your holes, and that'll keep everything nice and true, and this right down here nice and level. But it was a snap to put up, it took no time at all. So now it's just going to be putting on the holders and the shelves, and so I'm going to sit back, analyze that, see how I want to do it, because I got a lot of screwdrivers and a lot of tools that are going to be going on this rack. Okay, I think I've got a few things figured out. I'm going to go ahead and put my screwdrivers here. It does come with those brackets. The other great thing about this is the standard pegboard brackets that you can just get at any hardware store will fit in these holes, and you just pop those in as well. I'm using the brackets it came with. I'll probably also get some longer hangers, just regular pegboard hangers, and attach those to this as well. It's such a versatile thing. I'm super happy with it. So as far as putting a bracket on, you have this side right here that's a little bit longer. That side's going to go up in the groove, and then it's just going to pull down and settle in. So it'll just be like that. Oop. And then take your screwdriver hanger and just pop that on. So I'll probably put one there. I have one here as well. And the screwdriver hanger does have several different sizes of holes. So just in case you have some smaller nut drivers, you can slip those down in those too. But I'm just going to mainly use it for screwdrivers. All right, and that's it as far as the screwdrivers go. It also has a hammer hanger, several different shelves, and then just the standard hooks. So I'm just going to go ahead and load this up, try to figure out a organized way of doing it. Everything is finally up, and it's all in one place. I can't tell you how many times that I've been hunting for tools here and there and everything else. So it's really nice to have this all in one place, all hanging, and it's a really sturdy system. Super happy with it. If you have any comments, you have any questions, just give us a holler and comment down below. We will have a link to this system down below, so check that out. I would definitely recommend this system to anybody. So thanks for watching DIY on the House, and have a great day.